Hey everyone, if you guys would like to see how I created this beautiful winter set, please continue watching. Okay guys, so jumping right into the video, I started off with using my Nail Couture sculpted square full cover tips, and I already applied a base coat to these, so they're all ready and prepped. And I took my Igel beauty color in the shade Seal Bala, and I'm applying a good layer of this over all the nails. Then, because that shade is pretty sheer, I am going to go over it with a second coat of it, and it gives it this very beautiful like light pink nude. But I am going to be going over it with another shade after this coats, and it's just going to give it the most beautiful, like, it looks like acrylic base. Like, this is my secret base. Like, I love using these shades to create like the perfect French tip base. So right on top of that, I'm going to be taking this blush pink shade by Igel Beauty. And you guys, as of right now, as of the recording of this video, I have not been able to find this color on the Igel Beauty website. I believe they're sold out. I don't know, but they need to get it restocked like ASAP because it's one of my favorite gel polishes. Like, I love it so much. It's like a sheer pink, but look at the color that it makes. It makes it like such a beautiful, like, neutral pink color. It looks like literally like acrylic, and I'm literally running out of this, and I don't know where I could find it. I'm probably gonna end up looking on Amazon for it. But yeah, so the shade, if you got all those gel polishes, it should come out looking like that. And next, I'm going to be going in with this DND color. It's like a super pretty, like, pink, like baby pink. And I'm going to be applying that to my mixing palette because now I'm going to be doing a French tip on all the nails. And before I create my French tip, I do like to take a little pad and put alcohol on it and just kind of clean off the nails, because sometimes when you take your nails out of the lamp and they're like extremely sticky, sometimes like little things could stick to your nails. So I just like to clean that off with a alcohol wipe. And this is the brush I'm going to be using to create my French tip. And this is basically how I create my French tips. I just like to draw an outline of where I want the smile line to start, and then it's really simple. I just turn the nails over and bring the gel polish down the sides and then round it out on the top. And yeah, this is the easiest method I found, you guys. I say this in every video, but a full in-depth French tip video is coming, so be expecting that video to drop soon. But yes, you guys, this is how I like to do my French tips. And once I'm done drawing the smile line, I just go ahead with that same brush and fill it all in. Now I'm gonna apply my rhinestones, and to apply the rhinestones I'm going to be taking my gummy jelly by Nail Couture, and I'm going to be going in with some beautiful pink rhinestones. Look at how gorgeous these rhinestones are. I believe these are SS16, so they're kind of big. And I'm also going to be going in with these other pink rhinestones, and these are maybe an SS8 or 10, SS10. And yes, they just look like that. And I'm also going to be taking this little container, and I'm going to be using the smaller rhinestones as well. So to apply my rhinestones, I like to take a good amount of that gummy jelly on my little brush, and I apply it wherever I'm planning on applying the rhinestones on, which is going to be the index fingernail, the middle fingernail, and the pinky nail. And I go right on top of that with my top coat. But for this specific set, I am going to be top coating all the nails. Now, before curing the nails, you want to go ahead and apply your bling right on top of that gummy jelly and gel top coat. Once that is all cured, this is how your set should be looking. And honestly, you guys could stop right here. This set looks bomb as it is. Just file the tops and you got a really beautiful set. But because this is a winter theme set, I am going to be applying a design right on top of these nails. I decided to go with a sweater design, the infamous sweater design. And this is the way that I like to do it. First, I start off by drawing 2 lines. And as you guys could see, I did make a little mistake, but it's easy to fix. You just get a little brush with a tiny bit of acetone and wipe it off if you do make a mistake. But anyways, back to the design. You want to take a very thin brush and start creating 2 lines down the middle of the nail. And just kind of make these lines like in a diagonal way on the sides of the nails. And then once you get to the bottom sides, you want to take a dotting tool and just make little dots. Once you are done creating your desired design, before putting it in the lamp, you guys, you want to make sure the gel polish is still nice and wet. You want to take any clear acrylic powder. I'm just using the Mia Secret clear powder. And you want to put a good layer of that right on top of that wet gel polish, just to make your design like matte and to make your design stick out more, and it's going to give it that really beautiful sweater effect. And I'm also going to be doing the same sweater design on the ring fingernail. After curing in your lamp for 60 seconds, you just want to wipe off the excess powder, and look how gorgeous that design is. Now I'm going to be taking my Igel Beauty white gel polish in the shade Baby Powder, and I'm going to be doing this like kind of like candy cane effect on this French tip nail. But yes, I'm going to be taking a long bristled brush, and I'm just going to be doing lines in a diagonal way, and the effect is so beautiful. Once you're done creating your design, I'm going to be going in with this acrylic powder in the shade Lush Coconut. It's by Glam and Glitz. It's just such a pretty like glitter shade. I know it's an acrylic powder, but I love it as like a glitter like overlay. I just apply that right on top of that wet gel polish, and then I'm going to cure it in my UV lamp for 60 seconds. For the middle fingernail, I'm just going to be doing a very simple snowflake effect. And to do this, it's very easy, you guys. You just want to take a dotting tool and a long bristled brush and make little dots and fill in the lines, and you pretty much have a snowflake. And then I'm going to overlay this as well with that same glitter acrylic powder. Once you are all done curing that, you just want to file the tops of your nails, and you guys are completely done with your set. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.